Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best bud trimmers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is iPower 19-inch bud trimmer machine. Harness the power of 30 scissors in one cutter to provide clean and efficient while minimizing damage to plants. The 4-edged blade for wet trimming and serrated blade and stainless steel wire X blades for dry trimming. Clear acrylic cover of high transparency ensures total visibility for precise trim. Dual direction manual rotation clockwise/anti-clockwise, removable handle and replaceable blades, easy to use and clean. Food-grade rubber strips can handle plants efficiently with delicate care and minimize residue adhesion during use, safe and no flower damage. This trimmer will cut twigs and remove leaves from a multitude of plants for projects like making essential oils, aromatherapy products, and potpourris. Specially designed for indoor hydroponics. Package includes acrylic transparent cover, 24 black rubber strip and black rubber ring, stainless steel mesh and basin, 19-inch, for rubber columns, 1 serrated blade for dry trim, 1 straight blade for wet trim, 1 scissors. Number 2. Our second best pick is Growtent Garden Bowl Trimmer 19-inch cutting hydroponic bud leaf and flower. Use the power of 30 scissors in a unit to effectively sweep the plants to promote the speed of pruning and reduce the damage to the plants during pruning. Replaceable blades allow you to replace more suitable blades when cutting wet and dry plants. The transparent plastic cover can clearly observe the pruning situation. The non-slip mat can prevent the mower from moving around during use, stabilize the position, and increase the cutting speed. Advanced metal wheels can increase the cutting speed of the blade and save time. The stainless steel bowl bottom, the device trims the fallen leaves, can save the finishing time after use, and can trim excess leaves and branches on various plants and flowers. Come with 1 razor blade, 1 serrated blade, 1 scissors, and 1 instructions. Welcome to ask us if you have any questions. Number 3. Our third best pick is Happybuy 24-inch bud trimmer. The 24-inch stainless steel bowl of our leaf bud trimmer is convenient for you to clean up in time. And the clear acrylic cover of high transparency ensures visibility for precise trim. It provides sharp stainless steel blades to serve your different pruning needs. The straight blade is designed for wet plant trimming, while the wire X blade is used for the dry plant. The rust-proof blades are easy to clean, but please be careful. Considering saving you more time and effort, they designed this bud trimmer to be dual functional, manual and electric control. Choose a suitable mode for your work needs. Harness the power of 30 scissors in one cutter. The leaf trimmer provides high efficient and clean pruning while minimizing damage to plants. The rubber scissors are made of food-grade material to ensure security and efficiency. A hand pruner is provided for your convenient and easy use. This bowl leaf trimmer used to remove protruding leaves and roots is essential in making hash, oils, aromatherapy products, and potpourris. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Centurion Pro Tabletop Trimmer. The tabletop trimmer comes with a Toro, hardened steel cutting reel, containing an all-new 7 high-quality blades. Its coveted magnetic blade technology ensures the cleanest cut in the industry thanks to our dependably sharp blade. The tabletop trimmer is constructed out of a rugged, 16-gauge, 304 stainless steel, not aluminum. This trimming machine will outproduce any other machine on the market with its high-capacity tumbler that measures 24-inch in length and 5.5-inch in diameter. This technology prevents precious flowers from adhering to the tumbler surface without the need for special lubricants or sprays. Includes trimmer with 1 universal, wet/dry, electro-polished tumbler, blower, hopper, hoses, bags, drying rack, 10-pack turkey bags, 2x common culture trimming scissors, and a legalized tomato sticker. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is generic electric bud trimmer. Equipped with a powerful motor, ensure efficient and fast trimming, save your time and labor. The speed is adjustable, 0 to 70 RPM, simply rotate the motor speed dial, and then you can choose the appropriate speed. Ideal for trimming excess leaves or twigs from plants for projects like making essential oils, aromatherapy products, and potpourris. Clear acrylic cover ensures total visibility and gives you more control over the degree of trim. Specially designed for indoor hydroponics. Made of high-quality steel, this upgraded gearbox is sturdy, durable, and features a long-lasting life. And it supports dual-direction manual rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This bud trimmer comes with powerful blades to ensure efficient trimming. The stainless steel blades are adjustable and replaceable to serve your different needs. And the silicone fingers are made of food-grade material that will not impart any smell to your beautiful buds. This electric trimming machine comes fully assembled and is ready to use right out of the box. Just put the materials, cover the lid, rotate the handle, then you can get the trimmed materials for your various uses. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.